Hello hobbyholics, welcome to our channel. This one we printed last night, a figure of different size Lara Croft. This middle one we already removed the support and it's now clean. But the bigger one, as you can see, there's still a lot of support attached to it. This is to make it sure that when it start printing, it stabilize the figure as it being printed. And this is our mini one here. Oh, sorry. And that one there, still on its support. So stay tuned when we are going to paint this on some point.